This is a little different than our normal trail maintenance or trail construction projects.
Going out and clearing trail, getting rid of the pokey stuff.
This is the Arizona Trail Rainwater Collector at Freeman Road Trailhead in Pinal County, where we are hoping to provide water for hikers, bikers, and equestrians who are traversing the trail.
Oh, this is going to be awesome.
We have a few Arizona Trail staff who are here. We have about a dozen volunteers today and more coming tomorrow.
I'm a volunteer. About 2.5 years ago, I started looking online for different places to volunteer. Arizona Trail came up. I love the outdoors.
Well, team effort makes the dream effort, right?
And I figured the best place to go would be in the backcountry.
I'm going to come up one more step.
The idea here is that we're creating something that can be duplicatable, that we can share with other trail organizations or other communities in arid lands. So possibly Pacific Crest Trail, Continental Divide Trail, other trails in the Southwest where water is an issue.
Oh, it's going great. It's slow, methodical, getting everything lined up, working with the crew, working together with the team, and communication makes things go a lot easier.
That's this? Okay.
This is a very dry segment of trail. We have about 30 miles in total, 15 miles either direction with not a lot of water. There are a few remote cattle tanks, which aren't the best to drink from, a few remote wildlife waterers, but nothing right on trail. And so we're close to Freeman Road Trailhead, where our trail angels often will leave water. And so our hope is to reduce the amount of need for supplemental water on the trail. So provide a year-round sustainable water source. 1,500 gallons of water. It's about a 24-foot diameter collector, which collects water. And so we've done the math to know that this will fill 2 or 3 times per year and provide plenty of water. Rainwater, it's the cleanest water around, but there is the possibility that animals or critters get in it or near it or on top of it. It's possible that it can get contaminated, so hikers will need to treat the water before they drink it. Trail users are equipped to filter water. That's how that works on the Arizona Trail, and so they will either use a mechanical filter, a pump, or a filter that will screw to the top of a smart water bottle, or you can use tablets. So there are a lot of different ways to do that, and I think a quick stop by your outdoor store, there are lots of options available.
It is a very impressive piece of metal, and it'll be awesome to see it filled up with water.
This actually was a grant specifically for providing water on one of the driest segments of the trail, so that we know that on the Arizona National Scenic Trail, water is one of the bigger issues. I think the grant was for $35,000. That includes manufacture, construction, materials, logistics, moving it on site, and assembly. This was working with an organization out of Glendale called Creed Built Designs. So Jeremy Creed, the owner of that company, hiked the Arizona Trail a few years ago, and so it's a way for him to give back as well.
It's a great organization. We have a bunch of great volunteers, and that's why I keep coming back, is because of the volunteers.
This is really exciting. Yeah, a year of planning and design and logistics and months just to get it out here, and we'll put it up in a day. It's exciting.
People come together out here in the middle of the desert to get it done.